Muslim Association of Canada is going to have an Eid festival, okay, an Eid festival to remember, okay, and it's going to be tremendous. It'll be a beautiful festival, and it will almost be as beautiful as the zakah, okay, that I've given. And I've given a lot of zakah, and it was perfect zakah. And I can't give you the amount of zakah because it's under audit.
Well, you're not going to want to miss the Muslim Association of Canada Eid Fest because I'm going to be there, and I put the Barak in Eid Mubarak.
Canadians miss having hockey and hockey nights in Canada, but we have something else that is going to be even better and will be broadcast also coast to coast, and that is the Muslim Association of Canada Eid Festival.
That's for us here, guys. Thanks for listening to that, and there's going to be plenty more. I'm also going to make fun of my parents. You won't want to miss that. So if you do want to see that, log into maceidfest.com and check out the timeline. I hope to see you there. Thank you.